All right, friends. So we're going to be demonstrating the CVMV M10K2 Comica Professional Multi-Function Smartphone Video Kit here. And let's actually set up our phone on here. So right now I got an LG ThinQ phone. LG, G7 ThinQ. Anyways, I got a smartphone. First thing you want to do is, well, you could attach your smartphone to the holder here, and this is adjusted with this screw right here, so you can make this higher or lower. And once you have your phone in there, you can cinch it down nice so it's not going to go anywhere. Okay. All right. So now you can put your the microphone. I'm sorry. You can attach this part to your tripod base here. So I'm going to put the screw right in the hole there and then secure down with this dial here. Okay. Get it on there and just screw it on there. I hope you screw it the right way. I was like, oh, it should be on there by now, shouldn't it? Let me see here. Righty tighty, lefty loosey. Yeah, there we go. So this way, to this direction. Okay. Now, hey, I didn't say anything to you, phone. Now to put our microphone on top, you can simply just slide it in here. This has this slot right here, and it slides in right there. So you slide it in and cinch it down righty-tighty once again. There you have it set up. Holds your phone nicely. All right, next you want to attach your audio cable for the microphone. And the black cord goes into the microphone. Gray end is going to go into your phone audio jack. There. Okay, so if you want to adjust this, it has this little handle right here, and that way you can move wherever you want the tripod part to go, and then let go. So the tripod has nice little rubber legs on there, and then if I want to adjust this however I want to, there you go. You can move it around. Holds everything nicely. You can also use this as like a kind of a stick to hold everything together, also as a handle to hold your phone. So it's kind of cool as well. So let's do some sound testing on this, shall we? And we'll get this figured out. Looks pretty cool. Seems to be well built and everything. So I'm going to go ahead and test it. We're going to test the phone with just the phone sound, and then we're going to test it with the microphone, just the microphone, I think. Then I'm going to use the foam pad, or the foam cover, and then the furry like wind resistor, and see which one sounds the best on there. Okay, so let's get started with those tests. Okay. All right, my friends. Here is just normal without the microphone on the phone. Kind of doing a walk around, like a 360 around also. Here I am in front, obviously, walking around to the rear here. And we're going to change the microphone cover, or change it to the Comica microphone. All right, now this is the Comica microphone plug-in with the foam cover on. Let's see if we can hear any difference here. Sitting in front of the microphone, moving around to the side. And let's just pause it. I'm going to take, well, you know what? I'm going to take the cover off and just regular. Now I'm walking around again. The outside here, coming back and sitting down in review. And we'll be walking around to this side again. All right, let's put on the fuzzy one and see how that sounds, shall we? Should sound fun. Get it on there. Get on there, okay. There we have it, and walking around for the final check here. Oh, interview. And now we're going to just talking normally and walk around again to the other side. So those are the three different, actually four, I guess. And we'll take a look and see what that sounds like. All right, friends, so final thoughts on the Comica VBM10K2. So I just want to talk about the case a little bit. I mean, this is something that the Comica doesn't have to do, and yet it's a nice little case. I mean, if you want to put your stuff in there and carry it zipped up, this is a nice little bonus. It's definitely a nice touch. All right. So you have the case. Now let's talk about the tripod and stuff. So the tripod, you know, it's quite adjustable. Like, you know, if you want to take pretty much any position you want to put it at, it's going to get you there. So I kind of like that. It's not the biggest tripod, not a problem. I mean, it's sturdy, not going to go anywhere. It's got these little grippers on there, so it's pretty versatile. And the microphone itself actually is a nice little, you know, it does seem to sound a little better, a little bit of added quality to your regular phone microphone. And so I think all in all, not a bad little device here. Yeah, I'm going to leave a link in the description below. You could check it out on Amazon. And thanks so much for watching this review, my friends. Hope that helps out, and everyone have a great day out there. And we'll see you next time.